Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to make a site like Rapidworkers or Workers. Let's get started. For making a site, of course, you will obviously be needing a cPanel hosting or shared hosting, either VPS hosting. So I'm here in my shared hosting. So first of all, let's go to File Manager. And I open the File Manager here. Now let's create a new database named test123. Of course, you must give all privileges here and click on Make Changes. My database has been created. Let's copy the database name. We will need it for future use. Now in the file manager, let's reload it. Nothing changed. Let's create a subdomain named test1234. It will take some time. And here it has been created. Now let's reload it. And we will find test1234 here. Let's open up the directory. Let's upload a file. I will show you how to get this file. Just follow me now. I will skip to when it is finished. So it's finally uploaded. Let's go back to my file manager. Let's extract it here. Let's delete the zip file as we don't need that anymore. Let's open up this. And these are all the files. Let's select all and move them in the directory of the subdomain. Let's click Move Files. Now let's open up test1234 means the subdomain we created. Let's open up that. Remember, we copied the database name. Let's paste it over here. Oh, sorry. This is not the file. Database. Yeah, this one. Let's paste the username as well. It was the username. The password of the database, which we gave during the database installation or the creation. Now we'll click Let's install, start installation. And our website has been installed. Let's copy this. We're gonna need this. This is the admin password. Let's log into the control panel and enter the password we got here. Note that we need to copy this password, otherwise we won't be able to log in. We have logged in. Now let's click on settings and change our password. Yep, our password has been changed. Now let's see how our site looks. Okay, we can also see it from here. It's somewhat looking like this. So to fix that, let's go back and go to general. And in the site settings, if there's HTTP and you are getting an error, just make it HTTPS. And it's done. And if there's HTTPS and you are getting an error, in that case, just remove the S and that will fix that. Oh, our website has been created. It's a microjob website like Workers or Rapidworkers. Now let's come from where you'll get this script. This script's price is almost Let me see. Um, you can get this file from Selenium code. The script's price is almost, the script name is WeenyJob, and it's almost $159, mean $160. But I can give you at a very low price and with a full license, uh, on unlimited domains. So if you're gonna get me, in the description you will find my WhatsApp number or my email. You can contact me anywhere and you can buy it from me. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Thanks.